In this video, I'll show you how to log in Zoho Mail and Gmail. The first thing we need to do is create an application-specific password. So I want you to click on your profile icon and then click on My Account right here. And from the left-hand panel, so first put in your password to verify identity. All right, there we go. And now from the left-hand panel, I want you to come here and select this option for security. Then scroll down where you see application specific password. Click on generate new password, enter your application name. In this case, it'll be Gmail. Go ahead and click on generate. Okay. And they'll give you a password, which I will need you to use. So you can click to copy this. And now what we'll do is go back to Zoho Mail. Come here, click on this gear cog to access your settings. Okay. Now I want you to scroll down until you see mail accounts. Go ahead and click on this, click on POP, and make sure this is enabled, okay? POP access should be enabled just like this, and make sure you click on save. And then what I need you to do is open up your Gmail, okay? Then I need you to go ahead and access your settings. So I'll click on this. Okay, then click on see all settings. And from here, I need you to click on accounts and import. Then I want you to go ahead and scroll down to check mail from other accounts. Click on add a mail account. You'll get this pop up. And now first we need to enter the email address we would like to add. So what we need to do is go back here to Zoho Mail. As you can see, this is our email address. So I'll go ahead and copy that and I'll paste it in here. Click on next. And then what I need you to do is make sure this one is toggled. Import emails from my other account, POP3. Go ahead and click on next right here. And what we need is our username, password, POP server, right? Now for username, just go ahead and use your email address basically. For password, copy this, okay? That is our application specific password. And for POP server, I want you to come back here to Zoho Mail. Now here under POP, you'll see this one. Okay, copy this. Come back here, we'll paste that. And then port, I'll choose 995. Toggle these on. Leave a copy of retrieved message on the server so it doesn't automatically delete. We use a secure SSL connection. And we'll label the incoming messages for this email address, okay? Then you can go ahead and click on add account on this section. Now we just wait. As you can see, it says our mail account has been added, okay? And they're asking, would you also like to be able to send mail as this email address through our Gmail? Yes, we would like to do that. Go ahead and click on next. And here you can add another email address we own. Okay, and treat that as an alias. I'll just go to the next step right here. Now it's going to ask you if you want to send a mail through your SMTP server. So we need to configure this. So if I come here, look at this. This is the out. Okay, copy this. That's the port, right? So I'll go ahead and paste this in. Make sure it is correct. The port should be 465. There we go. Choose that one right there. And remember, our username is our email. Okay, we'll use that right here. And our password is our application-specific password. Need to go ahead and use that. And make sure this one is toggled on. Secured connection using SSL, because that is what we're using. Okay. Then you just need to go ahead and click on add account. It's going to check the credentials. And then you just need to confirm a verification and add your email address. So if I come back here to Zoho Mail, it will send us this, and we just need to put in this code. It'll give us a verification code to use. So there we go. We should have a code, or what you can do is just go ahead and click on that link as well. All right, so let's go ahead and click on this, and it will open up in a new tab. So there we go. Just go ahead and click on confirm. And there we go. The confirmation is a success. and we are now linked. So I can just return back to the Gmail. And if you want to check, all you need to do is click on this gear cog, click on see all settings. I'll show you how to make sure that's actually connected. And if I click on accounts and import, as you can see right here, if I scroll down, send mail as or check mail from other accounts. Both of these should have your Zoho mail right here. And you can click on check mail now just to verify it that it's working. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple.